Hello team, today's challenge is golden ratio, where we're given two numbers. We need to get their ratio and then see if they are within a certain tolerance of being the golden ratio. So a little bit of math, nothing too complicated. We can jump right in. I'm going to steal both these because we need them. So copying and pasting. The first one is going to be const golden ratio, spelling it right. That's going to be equal to. And the next one is going to be the tolerance. And for some reason, it did not type the C here. I'll just go back and do that. The tolerance, is equal to 0.01. And we set this one because that way it's easy to change later on. We don't need to go and change it in several places, right? So from here, we can get our tolerances. We can get our ratio, our true ratio, right? So right here, we can go true ratio and set that equal to math.max of AB divided by math.min AB. And that way we get these in the right order, right? That way they line up with this. Otherwise we would get, if it was small and big, we would get 0.618, right? We'd be comparing the other way. Still can work, just need extra tests, and I don't want to have to do that. So math max, math min gets us there, okay? From there, we get our diff, which is the true ratio, right? True ratio minus the golden ratio, just like this, okay? And that will give us a positive number or a negative number or as 0, right? And in all those cases, we're in good shape because now we just need to do the comparison. So down here, we go diff is greater than minus tolerance, okay? Tolerance, just like this. And diff is greater than minus tolerance and less than tolerance. I keep wanting to hit too many L's, but there we go, okay? And it kind of jumped around, but it is working and it's doing quite well, okay? So again, it really comes down to just a little bit of math, okay? We set up our consts, the golden ratio. We could have calculated this with a little bit of other math, but we're gonna skip that today. Then we have our tolerance. So if we wanted to increase or decrease our tolerance, we can do that in one place and it trickles down to our other spots. We could even have this as an argument, right? Like options, lots of options. And then, of course, doing that math, we could have done this as a sort, right? So we could have sorted these two and then pulled them out as largest and smallest and then did it that way. It all works, right? And in both those cases, well over 10 million ops per second. So super, super fast because it's really just down to the math. Then we do that, we check our tolerance and we send it out the door, right? That's the whole thing. That's the whole thing for today. If you found a different way that you want to share, if you like it, if you hate it, hit me up in those comments. Otherwise, today this has been Golden Ratio, and I will see you tomorrow.